Hello, my name is Daniel. I am an esthetician at Neroli downtown, and this is our day into night fall makeup tutorial. First, what I'm doing, I'm just going to set the eyelids with some of our concealer, and it's just going to help prime the eyelid for any of our eyeshadow. Next up I'm taking some of Aveda's eye definer in the lightest shade, and I am just drawing out the rough shape that I would like for our day look. It's another way to help really bring out the pigments of our mineral-based eyeshadows. And so for Madeline's eye, we did a classic eye shape to help define the crease, and then did a little bit of some darker shadow along the lash line. And now I'm just going in with my crease shade. Just deepening the outer corner now with our darkest shade for the outer V area, just to add a little bit more definition and contrast to Madeline's eye shape. And the last step for the eye, I am adding the lightest shade to the inner corner just to help add further contrast. And you'll notice that I didn't blend out any part of the eye color yet. That is our last step, especially with our mineral-based makeup. You want to focus on building the pigment before blending it out. And then I go back in with this fluffy brush to blend it out. And that's going to diffuse all of the colors, make it look very natural, very seamless. Now this step, I'm just adding a little bit of highlight, keeping it very natural, just to add a little pop of shimmer and shine to the inner corner. And then I move into our face makeup. I do the foundation and tinted moisturizer second, just in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadow. But I'm really just building up an even base. Right now in the makeup industry and fashion industry, everybody is looking for a very nice, natural, and glowy, dewy makeup look. Now I'm just moving into a little bit of concealer, a little bit lighter than the shade I used on the eyelid, and I'm just highlighting with the concealer on the highest points of the face to enhance the dimension of Madeline's face. Now I'm setting the face with powder very gently, just so it doesn't take out all of the shine. It's going to be very lightweight, and I only use concealer in places that needed a little bit of correction, so the face looks natural as possible. Now you'll see I'm doing the eyebrows. I first brush down, and then I brush up, so I'm only filling in some of the more sparse areas. Keeps the brow looking very natural. And then I go in just to enhance the look very slightly with some highlight under the brow bone to really bring that brow out. And I'm adding mascara. I didn't want to add any eyeliner for this look, just to keep it more of a daytime look, so we have more of a transition into night. After I primed Madeline's lip with our lip treatment, I'm just going in with one of our lip liners, and I diffuse that into the center, and this is our finished day look. Moving into our nighttime look now for fall, I first want to enhance the eye color very gently, so I'm just deepening the crease. Again, I'm diffusing that color so it's very nice and seamless. I added a little bit of a darker shimmer to the middle part of the eye for more dimension. So there's the lightest part in the inside, then a medium shade, and then the darkest shade. And a new trend that is very popular is the upside down eyeliner. So for fall, we wanted to do that look today. Upside down eyeliner is basically a winged eyeliner. Instead of on the top part of the eyelid, it is underneath the bottom lash line. And so you diffuse a little bit of the wing onto the top, but otherwise a majority of all of the color is going to be underneath the eye. And what I'm doing, I'm first using our black eye definer and taking that along the lash line, and then I go in with a buffing brush to diffuse that harsh line. So it's a very nice smoky eyeliner. Emphasize the lips a little bit more with some gloss, and now I'm just going in with finishing touches around the rest of the face with some blush, some bronzer. And this is just adding more dimension. Now I'm going in with some highlight just to add pops of shine to the tops of the face. So anything that sticks out, the nose, the upper lip, the chin, brow bone, cheekbone, that's all areas that you would want to emphasize for the nighttime to differentiate from the day. Since we are doing a nighttime look, I did also want to add more pops of mascara to both lids, and this is our finished look. Thank you so much for watching our daytime into nighttime fall makeup, and we hope to see you downtown for any of your makeup needs this season.